Tufts campus will be ready for commencement, yes.
Commencement is for the students. They've been here for 4 years, readying for that wonderful day. My dry trades are out painting. Some of them are putting up banners and bunting. Some are building stairs for the stages. And then all hands on deck to all 11,000 chairs.
This is usually a 3-day operation, so 3 full days, we'll get the 11,000 chairs all set.
Well, before commencement, as you see all these tents go up, there's stuff that goes on behind the scenes that nobody really knows about. Events happen, some things happen, facilities right on site to take care of issues, power issues, water issues. So we're always available.
Working toward the E2. Well, my name is Joe McCarthy and I work in Facility Support Services. During commencement weekend, it's all hands on deck. Everything from HVAC, our grounds team, to carpenters, plumbers, locksmiths, electricians. We're all set to go. So there's plans in place from previous years and we're ready to execute.
My name is Mary Ellen Borelli. I've been here for 25 years.
My name is Barry Johnson, 20 years, Tufts University employee.